Hiya, welcome back. I've often wondered how many of these CO₂ 16-gram cartridges it would take to inflate the tyres of the Honda CT125. So that's what this video is all about. If you're interested, stick around. So the first thing we're going to do is let all the air out. Okay, so that's reading 0. Bit difficult doing this without getting in the way of the camera. That's 1. Well, that thing's a real fiddle to get on, so I think it's going to be a lot easier with this pigtail. That's number 2. Just see what that reads. Good heavens, look at that. That's 25. That's 29. 2. Took it up to 29. Brilliant. That surprised me, that did. That's 2 to 29. It manual says 33 psi. So I know this one's going to go, this will go above. But I just want to see. That's up to 41. So that was 2 and a bit. And there's your 33. Fantastic. So they do say that the CO₂ doesn't stay in the tyre as long as air does. So it's once you've got yourself out of the situation, it's wise to pump that with air. So I'll see how long that lasts. But I know it's going to be probably going to be about a day anyway. Well, that was interesting. I thought it was going to take a lot more than that. 2 cartridges or 2 and a bit cartridges gets it up to pressure, and also carry a hand pump with me as well, just in case. So, hope you found that useful. Got a few videos coming up. One of which was about this side panel thing, whatever they're called, side rack holder. Now I've got the small one because they're a lot cheaper, and I intended to make this panel up that fits on, that I can then weld and mount whatever I want onto it. So that was the idea behind that, but that's probably going to be the next video. Hope you found that helpful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe because that helps the channel, trying to make it grow, and I do appreciate everybody that does bother to subscribe. About 96% of people that watch my videos don't subscribe. So there you have it. Anyway, I'll catch you next time. Cheerio!